Welcome to this quick tutorial on the AlgoBox Tide and Wave Visualizer, your handy tool for top-down analysis and market filtering. The AlgoBox Tide and Wave Visualizer helps you stay in sync with the broader market trend. With its clear visual representation, it serves as a constant reminder of the tide and wave chart directions, ensuring your trades align with the overall momentum. Adjusting the Tide Wave Visualizer is simple. With just a click of your mouse, you can align the visualizer to match the direction of the tide and wave charts. Click once to turn it green, indicating a bullish direction. Click twice to turn it red, signaling a bearish direction. Take a look at how the Tide/Wave Visualizer works in real time. When prices trend downward, the visualizer is adjusted to reflect a short trade setup. Then, as market conditions shift and prices begin to rise, it's realigned to support long trades. This seamless adjustment ensures you stay aligned with the current market direction, making it easier to execute your trading strategy with confidence. Thanks for watching. Be sure to explore more tools to elevate your trading with AlgoBox. Thanks for tuning in. Stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next video.